So here in Moodle, we're going to have a look at how we can create an intro video for our course. So we're going to come to our course homepage, and then we're going to turn on edit mode. And we can add this up in the general section, or we can create a new page. The process is very similar. So we're going to click on the three little dots for the main kind of top section. So our introduction video will appear right at the top for students to view. We'll click edit section. And then in here, you can see we've got some options here for embedding images, creating titles and stuff. And then it's all the way across here that we're going to use Kaltura to add a video within Moodle. So if we click on this link, it's going to bring us into Kaltura, and then we can click Add New. Now, under Add New, you can upload a video if you already pre-recorded your own video introduction. So we can upload this and embed it using Kaltura. And the Kaltura embed works really well for uploading bigger video files, slightly longer video files, either for intro videos or screen recordings that you might have made in Zoom or another online classroom. We are going to do this all in Moodle. So we're looking at the Express Capture for this particular example. And these will embed in the same way. So if you come back into the My Media repository to add new videos, then we'll be embedding them in the same way, whether it's a media upload, Express Capture, YouTube video, or Kaltura Capture from your desktop. So here we'll click Express Capture. So once this pops up, I'm going to get asked if I'm going to allow Kaltura to use my video. So I'm going to allow while visiting this site, and then we'll just stretch this window out a little bit. And we'll just scroll here so we can see the whole record window. So you can see at the top, we have a back button. We have some settings up here that we can't use yet. And then it's this window we're going to be recording our video. So you can see I can jump between different cameras if I have more than one camera available. Here, I can jump between different microphones. So I'm going to select the Air microphone here. And then once that's set up, we can simply press record. This will count me in, and then I can begin to do my course introduction. Now, the video interface here is super simple. It's going to allow you to record your video. It's going to then allow you to embed it in the page. We can edit these videos later. So if you have any ums or ahs or bits you want to cut out, then you can do a little bit later. But I would suggest trying to do these all in one take. So you can introduce your course, introduce yourself, perhaps mention a few things in the syllabus about deadlines for your course introduction, and keep it nice and short and sweet. It's the first thing students are going to click on if you embed it like I will at the top of the page. And then once we've finished recording and given any information out that we want to, we can simply press stop here, and then we get some options. So we've got the option to record again. We can play this back if we want to. And we don't have too many controls for this particular. And you can see I've got the volume control and stuff there. I'm not going to record this again. I'm just going to use this. We can also download a copy if we want to keep a copy or we want to edit offline. But we'll click use this. And essentially what's going to happen now is this is going to upload. We'll name this video Course Introduction 2025. We can scroll down. You can see we've got options for a description, for tags. This will be published to my course, so it will be visible to people in my course once we save and embed it. And now we can just hit save and embed, and that will embed the video into my course. So you can see I get this little tiny MCE bit of code, and that just means the video is there and it's going to embed into the course. So if I hit save changes, then what we'll get is this media is being processed option here. So essentially what that means is in the background, Kaltura is transcoding the video, but then you can see my video is embedded there and it's scrolling at the moment. So I'm actually going to jump back into edit mode here, where we can come back in to edit this section. And actually, I'm going to change this up a bit. So if I delete this, I can come back to the Kaltura button here. We'll see the video that I've just recorded. So it will be stored in my media files. And I can click on the settings here for the embedding. So I want the thumbnail embed. I'm going to have it as 400 by 285. And then this is looking pretty good. We'll hit embed and we'll hit save changes. And now with that thumbnail embed, it's going to embed a bit more cleanly into the page. So you may need to go back and re-add your video. We don't have any blurring of the background with this particular example, so you may want to record your video in a different application so that you can use some of those features and then upload using Kaltura. But this is certainly the quickest way to create a course introduction video within Moodle by using the Kaltura button when we're jumping in to edit a section, clicking on the little firework, and then coming in and recording our video, making sure that we've got the script ready, that we can do it all in one take, and then the video will be easy to record and embed and then display to your students in the course. If you do have any questions, then please do get in touch.